Alright, hello everybody, this is Reviews and More, back with a quick, somewhat unexpected review. This is on the Aroma brand. It's about a $30 rice cooker. It's the, I believe it's ARC 941 SBD model. So it's basically their 8-quart model, so it makes 8 quarts max of cooked rice. You put 4 cups, 8 cup max rice cooker with 4 cups being added dry. And I got this at a thrift store of all places. So mine has a nice little price tag of $8.50 on there. The actual retail price for this is $30, whether it be on Amazon, Walmart, or anywhere else. That's kind of where the price point hits. And when I saw it, it looked almost brand new. Like I saw a little bit of debris in like the steam catcher there, but everything else looked perfectly clean. And my best guess is this was a gift to someone's grandma who doesn't use a rice cooker, because I'm from a part of the country where everybody just boils rice in water until it's mushy and then consumes it. So rice cookers aren't really a big thing in my area, but I love them to death because they make cooking rice super idiot proof, and it also gives the rice a nice texture. Anybody who's ever used a rice cooker knows what I'm talking about. If you've never used a rice cooker, there's a reason why like fried rice and rice from the Chinese place kind of has a better texture and tastes better. It's because they're using a rice cooker. So here you saw me kind of running through the basic, just making sure it worked and showing how it worked. And you'll see this little rotating thing happen once you press the white rice button. You just got to follow the instructions. And that is putting in a, let's say you put 2 cups of rice in there, which is about 3/4 of 1 cup if you were to use a regular measuring cup. And then you fill the water line to the appropriate level. So if you put in 2 cups of rice or 2 3/4 cups of rice in there, that's where it goes. And then you fill it up to the 2 line. And now you're about to hear the fun little buzzer to let you know that everything's done. So sound warning. And there you have the rice. It's very pretty. It looks perfectly nice. And I was really happy with this little thrift store purchase. And I was happy I was able to review the item because some folks out there might want to know if it has some longevity to it. So this thing sat on the shelf for God knows how long. And it was in basically brand new condition because, again, the people I live around don't really use don't really use rice cookers. So as a result, I got this little steal. So I got it for a third as much as it normally costs retail. Again, it's about $30 new. Aroma is like the main game in town as far as rice cookers inside the U.S. Most of the time you're going to see Walmart, Target, those other places. I think I've reviewed 2 other rice cookers at lower price ranges that are both Aroma. But the main test for me is how well that basin stick around. That was the big concern if it wasn't new, was did the basin lose all of its non-stick with the previous owner? And it seemed to have worked out just fine. I just smacked it around a little bit and all the rice kind of just fell right out. A little tiny ring where the heat kind of collects on the rice cooker while it's cooking. But other than that, that's pretty standard. And it popped right off with the spatula once I ran my fingers around it. That is the key thing that all these rice makers have in common. If they have that Teflon coated base and the non-stick coating there, it will wear out, especially if you use harsh cleaners on it. So don't do that. Just use water, and just use hot water to take care of it. Remember, everything in there cooks at 212 plus degrees, so you're not worried too much about germ formation as long as you get it nice and clean and dry. So you don't really have to run large amounts of harsh soaps and chemicals through it to get these things super clean. Always make sure you check your lid and the little grommet on top that kind of keeps the pressure in place for the steam, and you'll have nice little rice. It did come out a little bit dry on the bottom. That's my only critique, but that's happened before with multiple rice cookers I've had, and I think that's just a matter of getting the water in there perfectly right with the measuring cups you use. Other than that, happy with the purchase. Cool product, and I think it's worth $30 even though I got it for about less than 10. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.